Hi, welcome for our online training sessions. In this session, we are going to discuss one of the important question. In fact, the error messages, whenever we get errors while working with concurrent program parameters, how to resolve. Okay, so let's go to the responsibility here. RTL October responsibility. Go to requests. When we try to submit this here, select the program, concurrent program, users report with parameter. Sorry, not this program. Now, when we select this concurrent program, while populating this parameter page, we are getting this error message. So it means there is some issue with your concurrent program parameters. While working with concurrent program parameters, we'll be using default types as well as the value sets, right? So there is a problem. Okay. So the system is showing that the SQL statement being executed at the time of error was the select max of user ID from FND user. And if we go through the details, we will find some more information about the error here. Okay. So while registering the concurrent program parameters, we have used this select statement as the default value. So that's the issue. That query is generating some number dynamically, and that's not valid as per the value sets. That's not valued as per the value sets. Okay, so that's the issue is going on here right now. So what we'll do is we are going ahead troubleshoot of this error. Take the program name, any concurrent program. It may be PO module, account payables module, or order management module. It's very common when we are working in the support projects, will be facing some issues. Okay, so let's go back to system administrator. And go to concurrent program. Any concurrent program, you have to query from here. Parameters. And we have to identify where exactly we have used that query, which parameter. Say to user ID. This is what the query we have written. First, we have to verify what is the result of this particular query. It's showing that 1016483. But here value set, whatever we have used for this parameter, is allowing maximum 4 digits, minimum 120, and maximum number is 1990. It's not the description is going to restrict. While creating the value set, for easy understanding, we have given the description, right? Description is going to provide some additional information about that particular object. Okay, actual definitions will be doing it in this value set. So we have to go back to our value sets page and modify that. Go back to application, validation, set, and search for this. Search for this. Here I would like to allow up to 10 digits. Up to 10 digits. So right now your query is returning around 7 digits. Oh, no problem. There won't be any issue. Save this. In fact, if you want to know the value set where exactly you are using, you can use this button. Usages button will shows this value sets are used in the flux fields, in which flux field, and also in which concurrent program, and what is the parameter, which parameter you are using. So that you can find out here. Okay, now it's clear. Let's go back to our let's go back to our responsibility and submit the request. Now, so that error has been done successfully. Now the default value 1016483 is invalid for the to user ID segment. Add the value 1016483 to the value set for segment to user account. Okay, so this is another parameter issue. Another parameter issue to user ID. Maybe that is future user ID. Let me just go back to concurrent program. That problem has been resolved. This is something new. It seems another parameter we have issue. Let's go back to system administrator. Verify the concurrent program. Maybe you are using some value set which is independent. This is from user ID, 15 characters. Okay, then to user ID, this is our none type of value set. Okay, copy this none type of value set. Another one, what we have, future user ID. This is user ID list, country, city. That's fine, independent and dependent. It's okay. Let me go back to our value sets page, application validation set. Search for your value set here. Okay, so the problem is here the value set type is none. I thought of it is having some values. So none type of value set, and we said that minimum value is 120 and maximum value is this. So that's why it is not allowed. Because the number whatever you are getting the result is more than that, right? That's why it is showing that error message. Now save this transaction. Let's go back to SRS window and submit the request. Let's go to RTL October responsibility here. Submit the request. Now we don't have any issues. We can find here two user ID we are getting, maximum whatever user ID we have that query. This is how we are supposed to resolve in case in concurrent program parameter value sets or default types if we have any issues. Because when we write some queries, these queries will generate the value dynamically, right? So the latest value, whatever is there, that we are going to get. So that time we don't find. Now, as for the input, okay, input title is mandatory. Choose the title. It looks like independent value set. So based on that, you can go ahead with this. So country is there. It is independent. And city is there. This is dependent. And we have username. This is table value set. Sometimes in the interview, they may ask you, how will you find out whether this is table value set or independent? Because independent also, you will find the list of values, and table value set also, you will find the list of values. So here we cannot find out. Here we cannot find whether this is table value set or independent. But if at all you want to know, take your program name. We have to go back to the definition of the system administrator. Let's go back to system administrator here. Go back to system administrator and work with concurrent. Search for the program here, concurrent. And let's go to parameter. I would like to know what is the value set type for this supplier side code, right? Take this value set name. We have total 8 types of value sets, right? So out of that, which one this is. Go to application, validation, set, and search for the value set, whatever we are using in the concurrent program parameter. When we search here, then, sorry, it's been cancelled. Let's go for query mode, enter the value, and then go for search. Now it is table value set. This is how you can find what type of value set this is. This is the only way to find the type of value set what, or we can query from backend. Of course, it's a lengthy process. Okay. Thank you.